Hi guys, it's me, Lindalicious. So today I'm gonna be making a video and I'm going to be creating this look right here. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. Don't forget your first kiss. We were so damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on love, drunk on your lips. The feeling I will forever miss. And I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah.
So I'm gonna clean up under both eyebrows and then I'm gonna go lightly on the top too so we can make the eyebrows pop. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean it up and make it look a little sharper and cleaner.
My ride or die. You were my ride or die. Summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was summertime, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were my ride or die. 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 Don't forget your first love. We were young and wild. We were up all night. I've been waiting all my life for someone like you.
So we're gonna put some orange in the cut creases. Cut creases. Why do I keep saying that? In the creases. So we're gonna put orange in the creases and then we're gonna put some purple on the eyelid. And then we're gonna blend, 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 and then add some yellow right over the orange. And let's see how it ends up looking. Now we're gonna use the Hoola contour stick, my fave, and we're gonna contour. Put it around the forehead, put some on the nose. I'm gonna use these brushes, blend it all in.
You don't forget your first love.
Attraction. He tells her that he's nothing like the last one. He
2009, we were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked.
For my highlight and blush, I'm gonna use BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali. Look how pretty. Gonna use this brush and put some blush. I like the middle one. I like this peachy color. And I don't like to put too much blush, so I literally put like a little bit on each side. And I also like to use my Lorac Contour Pro palette. I just dropped my face. And I like to mix the oh my god, all that just spilled on me. That's just great. Anyways, I like to use the lightest contour because you see how white I am. Come on now. And I like to mix it with the contour stick I just used. I like to mix it together. I try not to put a lot. Try to just to lightly put some on top, whatever. Okay, done with that. Now some highlights. I like this one right here. It's called Glisten. So I love highlights, so I'm about to put a lot probably. Right on my cheekbone. I'm about to shine your world. Stop. I like to use a smaller brush, basically like another blending brush, but I like to put it right under the arch of my eyebrow to kind of make it pop a little bit. And I also like to put some right in the corner of my eye. Look at that. See it? It kind of makes it like. So I am gonna put a little bit of like, maybe like orange right here in the edge, just to make the bottom of my eye pop too. I'm gonna put some mascara, and then one of my favorite parts besides eyelashes is highlight, but we already did that. This has to be like one of the hardest parts for me because my eye starts watering like crazy.
Don't forget your.
Yeah. My clients usually have this issue too. Oh, hold up. We can't forget some highlight on the nose. I like to lightly put it in the middle and then. Alright. I like Maybelline Colossal. Put some mascara on real quick. I definitely got some mascara on my face. You ever try putting mascara on without opening your mouth? Let's see. Alright, now use some Duo Glow, put it on my lashes. glue them junks up. All right, so while the glue dries a little bit on the eyelashes, I'm gonna put some lip gloss on. This is Pure Hollywood from Anastasia. Okay, got my lashes. Stop playing, I'm popping right now. Okay, and we are all done. So subscribe, like, share, let your friends know, anybody. Nah, if you have any comments, just write them below. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys like it. Bye.